Guys, assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all fine. So today I am going to make a beautiful short flower and it's very beautiful. If you want to learn how to make this beautiful flower, so this video is for you, and this video will be a beginner friendly. I'm using 3-ply yarn and 2.5 millimeter crochet hook. So let's get started. First of all, I will make a magic ring. This is magic ring, and I made this magic ring in the easiest way. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, yarn over, double crochet. How to make double crochet? Look carefully. 1, 2, double crochet, and now 3. Chain 1, 2 and 3. Make a slip stitch like this. One petal is ready. Again, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, yarn over, 3 double crochet, chain 3, make a slip stitch here. Chain 1, 2 and 3, yarn over, 3 double crochet. How to make a double crochet? My crochet hook has 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now 2 are remaining, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Again 2 more double crochet. Chain 3, make a slip stitch like this. 2 more petal needed. 1, 2 and 3, yarn over, 3 double crochet. Same process. Chain 3 and slip stitch. Last petal, chain 1, 2 and 3, yarn over into this magic ring, double crochet, two double crochet, three double crochet, chain 3, make a slip stitch. Now grab this end and pull to close the magic ring. Flower is ready and it's super cute. Chain 1 and cut the yarn like this. Let's secure the end by making a knot, one more knot, cut the yarn, so this is all for today. Try this flower, and if you recreate this flower, don't forget to tag me. If you have any question, just write down in the comment section. If you um, like my video, just hit the like button, and if you are new, do subscribe my channel for further updates. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Take care. Allah Hafiz.